Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Rohit Kumar Das. I'm here today to show you one very useful tool, that is TpX, which can be used for drawing purpose. You can just get it from Google. It's an open source software, so you can just type TpX Drawing tool and it will direct you to this website where you can download it. It's just a few KB of size. It's come in a zip format. You can click on the download option and it will download for you. I have already downloaded it, so I'll just quickly go to my downloads, and yeah, so here is the file. As you can see, it is in zip format. Just double click, you can extract, and here is the exe file that you can click and start your working. So I have already installed this. This is the shortcut that I have placed in my desktop. So double click on the icon TpX and your workspace will be available. So this is what your working interface will look like. Here you can see like there are various options available, starting from line to box, circles, and lots more. So it is just simple drag and drop options available. You just click on the line option and pull it up to where you want it, and it will be there. Similarly for box, it will be there. Then again you can just modify it from here, just clicking on the edges. You can change the shape and size of it depending upon your requirement. Now say for example, I don't want this straight line, or I don't want this solid line in my box. So what I can do is I can just double click and my rectangle box property will come up. So inside this you can see like we have options available, like to change from solid to dash or from dot. So I'll go with dash line. I want the thickness to be more from 1 to maybe 2, or you can directly give it from your keyboard 3. And then you can change the color as well, like the default option is black. You can go for obvious custom options, define the custom color, anything it is possible. Just say for example now it will be some more like greenish. Okay, just click on OK, and it's done. Similarly for the line, I'll want it dotted, and I will give it maybe maroon color. I'll increase it to 4, and say suppose I want some arrow symbol as well instead of a straight line. You can choose the various arrowhead available from here. I'll just go with the simplest one, maybe the starting arrowhead and the end arrowhead, and you can define the size of the arrowhead as well. Maybe I'll give it 2. Click on OK, and yes, it is ready to use. So just in case if you change to want the direction of this arrow, you can just click on any of the edges, and with the help of the mouse you can just change its shape from here to there and there to here. As simple as that. Now other options are available similar for your circles. You can either click it on the object and then go to transform. You can move, like you can see there are lots of available options are there. You can rotate it according to your need. You can scale it. You can either grow and shrink. You can do the alignment and the various options available. Now say for example I want to add some text in this particular image that I'm going to create. There is an option available, that is AB. It's saying that insert text. I'll click on that, and you can give any text. Say for example I'll just write TeX text and OK. So it will be here. So now as you can see, this is very small, so I'll just want to increase the size. I'll double click. I'll increase the height to maybe 10 instead of 5, the default one. I'll click OK. So it has increased. Similarly you can do it for your own purpose. Then to change the color also it is possible. Double click, line color change to maybe something. The various options available, that you can select from here, or you can custom your color as well, no problem. Okay, so as you can see it is changed. So this is regarding the various options available. You can play around with this. Now if you want to insert some image with respect to maybe some time you find that okay, you need to insert some images, so TpX give you that provision as well. You can click on this option, that is BMP, either from here, or there is an option there, it is insert. So these are the various options for inserting. So I am going to use insert BMP image. You can use the shortcut also, just from the keyboard press M and it will give you the option. So the window will come up where you need to choose your image. Say for example, I'll choose from any image, maybe this one. I'll click on the image, I'll click on open, and I will drag it here, something like this maybe. Obviously you can again change how it's going to look. It is also useful to create flowcharts. For example, out here we can have different flowcharts properties. Symbols are there, insert symbols, click on this, and yeah, this is the decision box that we used to have in the flowcharts. Double click. If you want to change it, you can change the size of it. You can change the different formats that are available. You can see double arrowhead also available. Just click on OK and it will be ready to use. Maybe the cloud. So different options are available. I'll just go with some maybe process or maybe input decision, and it is ready to use. So after you have done your working in your workspace, before saving it, what you can do is like you can just preview it, so that you can see how your image is going to look like after you save it. So you can just preview it as an image or in a PDF format as well. So I'll just preview it in a PNG manner. I'll just click on this PNG. Yeah, so this is how it's going to look like. As you can see, this is very clear, neat and clean, straight, absolutely fine. Okay, so what I will do is I will just close it and I'll save this. For saving, you need to go to save a file, either save as or save. Then you need to give the path of it. I'll just save it in my desktop for the time being. I'll create a new folder like TpX Drawing, and I'll give it the name first, TpX Drawing. And as you can see, it's going to save it as a TpX Drawing. So that means whenever next time you want to edit the same image, you can just open up this particular file, type in from the file option open, and you can again rework on that particular figure. So I'll just save it. So after saving, you can see like one error came up, that is, it says that bitmap to EPS path not found, because we have used this image, bitmap image, from some other path, and we are trying to save it some other way around. So it is not a problem actually. After you click OK, this image will be automatically stored as a bitmap image in that particular directory where we are storing it currently. So just click on OK, and let's see whether it is there or not. So we'll just go to our desktop, and the TpX Drawing. Yeah, so here is the available file, TpX Drawing, that we have got in a PDF format and in EPS format as well, and this is that .tpx file which you can reuse it to if you need to make any changes. So let's try to visualize what is here. So this is the file that has been created. So as you can see, like even though if I try to zoom it, the pictures are not going to fade away. Right now it is 800% zoomed, still there. The quality, it is now 6400% zoomed. So the quality, it is because of the vector image that it is to create. But there is a problem. You can see like in TpX we have a text out here, but in the very first save it is not available, that text. So to overcome that error, what we can do is like we will need to overwrite this particular file by again resaving it as a PDF file or the other format, whatever you want. So for that purpose, you can click on the file, you can click on save as, and I'll change the type of it to PDF, and I will replace it. Save, replace. Okay. So now it should give me the text. Yes. So as you can see, the text is available right now. So this gives you the provision to save one file in a different format. Just click on whatever the format you want, starting from SVG, EPS, PNG, BMP, FDP, PDF, EPS. So various options are available to you. You can make the use of it according to your requirement. I hope you found this video interesting, and you can carry out the different options that are available. It is just simple drag and drop, nothing much rocket science behind it. Just simple, very easy to use. I hope you found this video very useful. Thank you very much.